this video, we will show you how to delete Snapchat account. If you think you don't want to using Snapchat again, you can just delete your account rather than you let it uncontrollable. How to do that? First, open your Snapchat account. Okay, this is for my Snapchat. You can open on your mobile phone. Then you can click this icon. Okay, after that, you can click the gear icon here. Then to delete Snapchat account, it's very easy. You need to scroll down until you find the delete account here. Just click delete account. Then you can click the browser. For example, I'm using Google Chrome. Okay, you need to log in using your mail address or using number phone. Let's try using our email address. You can also using phone number if you register with phone number. Okay, just click next and type our password here and click next. Okay, select never for this site. Then you can scroll down, tap your password to continue delete your Snapchat account and click continue here. Now your account has been deleted or deactivated. You can see your Snapchat account will be deactivated soon. If you have verified an email address in Snapchat, we will send you convenient. Okay, in 30 days your account will be deleted. If you like to reactivate your account before that happen, just log in into Snapchat. Okay, after 30 days your Snapchat account will delete it. And that's all tutorial how to delete Snapchat account from mobile phone. Thanks for watching.